History has been made!
Acosta's got it!
He's got it! Unbelievable!
Acosta today was impressive because start from the pit lane and lap by lap recover. He bring also all the other guys with him to the first group, but especially when I arrived on the first group, he was able to overtake everybody and on the last lap to take also some margin. So it was really, really impressive. A great congratulations.
Maybe you'll be racing with him in 10 years' time, possibly?
Yeah, but, yes, I'm waiting for him.